In this tutorial, I will share my simple trick to make your photos look awesome using Adobe Photoshop. This trick is specifically designed for outdoor portraits and landscape photography and can give you amazing results to post on social media platforms like Instagram. If you are a beginner photographer or just starting to use Adobe Photoshop, this tutorial is perfect for you. To get started, download the sample image provided in the description. Once you have the images, let's begin the editing process. First step is to select the skin tones in the image. To do this, go to select option in the menu bar and select color range. In the color range dialog box, choose the skin tones option and tick the detect faces box. This will automatically select the skin tones in the image. Click OK. However, if you notice that other objects like flowers have also been selected, don't worry, we will take care of it later. Now, to copy the selection to a new layer, simply press Ctrl plus J or Command plus J. Now rename the new layer to skin tones and hide the layer for now. We will use it later on in our tutorial. Now select the background layer, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus J or Command plus J. Now right click on the duplicate layer and convert it to smart object. Now double click on the small icon to open the layer in a new document. In the new document, go to Image, Mode, select Lab Color. Now open the Channels tab and select the B channel. Select all of it by pressing Ctrl plus A or Command plus A. Then copy it by pressing Ctrl plus C or Command plus C. Paste it into the A channel. You will immediately notice changes in the colors of the image. This technique is often used in landscape portrait or travel photography to give a warm and inviting look to the image. And my goal is to achieve a desired orange color cast that complements the subject and enhance the overall look of the image. Once we are satisfied with the color changes, press Ctrl plus D or Command plus D to deselect and then save the image. Now go back to the original photo working document. Now it's time to use the skin tones. Turn on the layer and add an inverted layer by holding down the Alt key, clicking on the mask icon. Take a brush and paint on the skin with a white color to reveal the skin tones. Next, go to adjustments and add a color balance adjustment layer. Now we are going to play with the colors, adjust the midtones, shadows and highlight colors to complement the subject. Adjust the tonal balance of an image by shifting the colors towards one end of the spectrum or the other way. Fine-tune the colors in your image for a specific look or mood that you like. Finally, to add a little bit of contrast, add a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Here, increase the adjustment by a little, around 15% should be enough. And that's it. Here is before and here is the after. This simple technique can have a big impact on the overall look of your photograph. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you like the results. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And see you again in the next video. Take care.